Add that little butter. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. So keep that in mind when you subscribe, hit that post notification bell, leave a comment, share, and thumbs up this video, okay? So today, as you can tell by the title, we are making jalapeno cornbread. Jalapeno cornbread is, y'all know me, it's going to be a easy, simple, quick recipe. So come along so I can show you the ingredients, and we're gonna get to cooking with the cooking tutorial. So come on. Okay, you guys, this is everything you will need to make some good old jalapeno cornbread. Okay, as you can see, I got all the veggies, the jalapenos, the onions, the celery, the garlic, the bell pepper. We have eggs. We do have a package of cornbread. Quick, easy fix, baby. We have cheese. We have buttermilk. We have cornmeal, sugar, and everything. So let's get to making this jalapeno cornbread. Okay, you guys, we have to saute all the delicious vegetables. Yes, so this is 1/4 white onion. This is 3 jalapenos. This is 1/4 red bell pepper, 1/4 green bell pepper, 1/2 of a celery, and 3 cloves of garlic. And we put in 1 tablespoon of oil, and we're gonna add that all into the skillet so we can saute it. We're gonna mix this all together and get it nice, soft. Bring out all of the flavors into that oil. And we want them nice and soft. We want these vegetables soft because we're going to add it into the uncooked cornbread. Okay, you guys. This has been simmering for about 15 minutes. Nice and slow. And as you can see, it's time to come off. They're nice and soft. Got all the flavors in that oil as well as still into the vegetables. And we're going to set this aside and go ahead and mix up the cornbread and add this to the cornbread. But we do want this to cool a little. We don't want it hot like it is now. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and whip up the cornbread mix. We have 2 packages of cornbread mix. We have 2 eggs. We have 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of cornmeal. 1/2 cup of Kobe Jack cheese. You can use any cheese you like. 1/3 cup of buttermilk. Of water. Next, all the saute good is all going in. The oil, the onions, yes. Bless you. And that's it. We have our oven preheated at 380. We sprayed the pan with coconut oil, and we're gonna add it to it. We're gonna put this in the 380 oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You guys, there goes the jalapeno cornbread. Sweet jalapeno. Let's cut a piece and try it out. Ooh. I'm trying to see y'all. Woo! Now look at all that. Look at all the vegetables in there. The onions, the jalapenos, the garlic, the so on. You're gonna put, you can have butter if you want to. Woo, hot. Yeah, this is hot, it's falling apart. I'm gonna sprinkle a little cheese on it. Let's have it like that. Sprinkle a little cheese. There you go, jalapeno cornbread. Get you some. If you like cornbread, if you like jalapeno, let's taste. There you go, have you some. Let's try it, y'all. A little sour cream. Y'all, this is good. Give me some butter with it. Just a little. Woo! Got a little kick to it. A little butter with it. Woo! You taste a little sweetness to it. You taste the spiciness. You taste a little cheese in there, the Kobe Jack cheese. Add that little butter. Yum. You taste a little jalapeno, the bell peppers, the onion, just a little hint of a little bit of, look at the cheese, y'all. Who you know have cheese pull on their cornbread? Who you know? Y'all, guess what? Tomorrow, I'm gonna make some good old delicious baked beans. And I'm having this cornbread with it. Ooh. So be on the lookout for that video. I'm gonna make some homemade baked beans. Homemade. With this cornbread. Want some sour cream with it?